So could I show all the stuff first?
Yeah, I'll let you show all your stuff. Got my helper today.
Let's put this down.
Mm-hmm. Right. Hello everyone. I went to Dollar Tree today. It had been a month and a half, I want to say. I have been staying home. I haven't been going to any stores. My husband's been doing all the shopping, so I went to Target yesterday and Dollar Tree today, and it was amazing. So, all right, we just wanted to kind of show you guys what we got, what I got. She did not come with me. And she also has a couple things that she would like to show you guys. So, all right, what do you have? What is it?
Sculpture.
A sculpture or a collage?
Collage.
Where did you find all those things?
Outside.
Yep.
And these inside.
And what do these say? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. And some little sequins and a little flower chest, right?
Okay, so these are some of our first Dollar Tree items. Show this one first. So I got her, they're little pencil boxes, and I got her a little blue one, and then I got my other daughter a pink one. And she's already put stuff in there. It's very cute, huh?
So it's blue on the top and clear on the outside.
Yep. So since we're doing homeschooling, you can put all your pencils and pens and markers and stuff in there.
So I have a little Hatchimal. I might need to come a little closer. Bunny Hatchimal.
Did we brush your hair today? Want to show them that?
Yes. So I have a mermaid headband. My mom is opening it.
Here you go.
My mom opened it.
Ooh, those are cute.
How do I
You
look?
look beautiful.
How do I look?
So the next thing I got were some makeup removing wipes. These have retinol in them. They're cleansing cloths. You get 30 of them. And I think I've used these before. The only problem I kind of had was that they were a little on the drier side, so I think I just added a little water to it, and then they worked fine. Okay, Arya, you haven't seen these. All of their Easter candy and Easter stuff is 50% off, I think. These were actually $4 for $1.
Cool, right?
They're party cake peeps.
Yep, they are.
Did you see them? I know there's a lot of non-peep lovers out there, but here, the two of us, we like peeps. So I have never tried these before, but I mean, they sound good to me. I've never seen these before at the store. I've seen them on, like I've seen other people have them on hauls, but these are the long bamboo skewers. There's 12 pieces. And I figured I could use these, like rather than getting the small wood dowels, I would just get these big ones and then I could cut them to size. But these are really long. I don't know if it says. I want to say maybe they're like 3 feet. So yeah, these were in the kitchen section. You want to open that? Should we try one?
Yeah. Yummy in my tummy.
This is going to make you hyper.
Why?
Because it's all sugar. Peeps, cheers.
Why do I get two?
Mmm.
Why do I get two?
Why not? Okay, so this Dollar Tree that we went to did have a little craft section. I've been seeing all over Facebook, people are posting. I belong to this Dollar Tree crafting page, and people have been posting pictures how there's like craft sections. And I had yet to see it, but today they had, it was very small. They didn't have a huge selection, but I did find some items. So yeah, it's called Crafter's Square. And they've got a lot of wood items. It was really cool. So I bought these little craft/bead storage containers. And I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to put in these yet, but I know we'll be able to find something, right? And then, oh my goodness, I hit the jackpot. So this is basically stretch lace. It's basically elastic. So I have been making some masks, like just for my family and friends around here. I'm not selling them or anything. I'm just kind of making them because I had some leftover fabric, but I ran out of elastic. So I figured this might work for that. It's pretty small, but I think that, I don't know that he wants to be held. Can you put him down? Anywho, I thought that this would work out good for masks, and then I'm sure I can find another craft to use them for too. And then this was one thing I was so excited when I saw this because I use my hot glue gun a lot and I burn myself a lot. So these are little finger protectors, and I thought that these would be perfect to wear when I'm using my hot glue gun, just so that I don't like touch it and singe my finger. So I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before, so I was excited to see these. And this next little thing I found is just a little notebook. I thought this was so cute. It's got like the little gold arrows, and then on the inside it looks like wood. Who said it there, honey? So you can never have too many little notebooks, right? So this could be good for making my list. So I thought this would be cute, just, you know, it could fit in your purse, and I liked the little pattern. Next thing I found was this Gold Kiss Gel Shine nail polish. Now I have used the clear polish. I'll put it over like another color, and it works so good. It like makes it so shiny. So I thought that it would be cool to try an actual color with it. It's a really pretty gold. It's kind of shimmery. So I may put that on my nails later. So if you guys ever see the Kiss the Gel Shine brand, get some because it works really good and it's really shiny. This was one thing I was super excited to find when we first walked in. They had all the little solar items, and these are little hummingbirds. I thought these were so cute. We just planted a bunch of flowers out front, like alongside of our house, and we planted some butterfly and hummingbird mix, like flower mix. And so I thought these would be really cute to kind of just line up in the flowers. I'd never seen these before, and for $1, I mean, you can't beat that. They had a bunch of different solar lights. They had like the regular ones, and they had flamingos and pineapples, but I had to have the hummingbirds. I think they're so cute. And then one of the last things we got was hand sanitizer. She had these at the front desk because apparently, you know, people are buying them. I hope they're not trying to steal them because they are kind of small, but yeah, they had them like kind of tucked behind like where she was, and she's like, if you want one, it's one per person. So I was really excited to get some of these because I had yet to find any small bottles to like throw in my purse. So yeah, they did have hand sanitizer. They didn't have any like disinfecting wipes or anything, but they did have some kind of cleaners too. And then the last thing I got were these cute little Home Sweet Home towels. I just love these. They've got the lavender, and if you guys have been following me, you know I'm obsessed with lavender. And I just got 2 of those, and I thought these will look really cute. Right now I still have my spring towels up, so maybe next month I will put these up in their place. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for the garbage truck to pass. Alright you guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, and it felt so good to get back to Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for Friday. I have a huge fun video coming out. I'm doing a collab with a really awesome YouTuber who does some really amazing DIYs, and I'm so excited for this video. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that, and we will see you all soon. Have a good one. Bye.